Hello there, Internet. My name is Mark. I work here at Company 23. Today, we're going to be doing an install video of our coolant port covers on this EJ257 engine. So if you're working on an engine or you're like me, you have a long-term EJ project in your home garage. It's been sitting a lot longer than you thought it was because you'll get to it someday. Chances are all your ports on top of your block are open to debris, 10 millimeter sockets, birds, other things that you don't want inside your engine. So we make a bunch of different port covers, and today we're gonna be looking at the coolant port covers. So your coolant ports are here and here. Obviously you can see one cover is already installed. This is where your coolant crossover pipe goes to carry coolant across from one block cap to another. So we want to put these on here, and these you can actually use with the factory O-ring if you want, extra sealing, but these are laser cut aluminum and then laser engraved with our logo. You just plop them on there, and we also include new bolts because the factory bolts are way too long for these covers. So these are a 10 millimeter head. You can just screw them on in there, get them started, and then they don't need to be super tight. You're just sealing her up from junk. You can run those in, snug them down. Once they're on there, in conjunction with our other port covers, you have now in essence eliminated the possibility of any junk from getting inside your engine while it sits on the stand for a really long time because you don't have the money or you don't have time or whatever. So if you have any questions on these covers or any of our covers, we have them for EJs. We're working on the coolant port covers for the FAs as well. Shoot us an email, c23@company23.com. If you need help getting your car back on the road, let us know. We're here to help. Okay, thanks. And now.